Hello and everyone, welcome to the Eugene Torto YouTube channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing video of, let's see if I can get a good video of it here, Auto Custom Carpets Incorporated. This is carpet for my 90 Corvette. It is way overdue. Carpet is pretty bad looking. So I'm going to unbox it. You can see I already got carpet for the back out, and it's the mass back carpet. If anyone doesn't know what the mass back carpet is, it has like this rubber membrane on the back, and you got two types. You got the kind without the mass back and the kind with the mass back. Mass back is more expensive, it's heavier, and it does a better job of canceling out the sound, and it fits better from what I've heard. This will be my first time doing carpet in a car. I mean, I have done it, but not in a, that was like custom carpet, and I was like 16 years old, I think. And I didn't expect it to come with all this. It came with the matting for under the carpet, apparently. And it comes with a lot of pieces. I mean, a lot. I mean, wow, I gotta go through all this. There's a lot of pieces to go through. And I should have a future install video of it, I hope. Everything goes well. And there are a lot of pieces, that's for sure. I mean, a lot. Wow. These look like the pieces for the door. Yeah, that's just what that is. That'd be for the doors. And there's all sorts of pieces here. As you can see, these pieces aren't mass back, but they're not going on the floor. It's just the pieces that go on the floor, I guess, that are supposed to be mass back. That's good to know. Let's see, what the heck is this? That's a big piece. I'm not even sure what that's for. I don't know, I'll find out as I'm taking the old carpet out, I guess, and do my research. But there are a lot of pieces here. That's for damn sure. I think these are for the wheel wells. Yeah, that's what it looks like, where the speakers go and everything. And the wheel wells, over the wheel wells in the rear of the car. And here is some more mass back carpet. This must be, yep, this will go. And I'm just guessing, so hold on a second, everyone bear with me, that this I guess I'm not really sure. I'm going to have to find out. Nope, I'll be finding out either way. I think this goes down by the, this would actually go right here. I'll see if I can lay it out. And then this would be the tunnel here. Does that make sense? I think it does. And some more mass back carpet. Yep, let's see if we can get this box out of the way. See if I can lay this out in a way that makes sense. This must be for the front, either the passenger or the driver. Now, from what I've read, is you're better off doing this on a sunny day and sunny, warm day, and laying this out in the driveway in the sun, and that will help the mass backing kind of stretch out. Okay, I think these are for the tunnels. It goes on the sides, I think. I don't think it's for the the floor, passenger and driver's side floor. So this is going to be one heck of a jigsaw puzzle, that's for sure. And there's some more padding. I was surprised it came with this. I didn't realize it came with all that. And okay, more stuff. Okay, this is definitely for either the passenger or driver's side. I'm going to say the passenger side. Yeah, you can see this part here where the seat goes, and that would be up the front part there. And we got the driver's side. All right. What I think is yep, that's the driver's side. It has the hopefully you guys can see that. Yep, it's got the padding for the heel and rear heels here and all that stuff. So this is going to be one heck of a jigsaw puzzle putting this all together, that's for sure. But anyway, if anyone wants to know where I got this from, I will leave a link down below in the comment section or in the description box. And anyone have any questions, just shoot comments down there in the comment section. Oh, by the way, I got this from Wilcox. They always have great deals. They're always great people to do business with. I'm going to have to say this carpet seems real good quality, I'll say that. Now, of course, making it fit and all that, that's going to be another thing, but just subscribe to my channel and, you know, go down there, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you can keep up to date on what's going on and how it all goes together. Should be pretty interesting. I got sound deadening material to go in it too, I'm going to put in. And now the real trick is to get this all back in the box, of course, so, oh well. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank everyone that's subscribed. I'm trying to build this channel, so one day it'll become monetized, and I'll get at least a few dollars from YouTube for help pay for some of this stuff. But anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.